Sorry, I got cut off before. I'm trying to remember where I left off, so I'm going to go back to this document. I was talking in the middle of talking about building your meal plan and prepping. So also, if you go on to Pinterest, sometimes people have blogs of full, like, week by week, day by day meal plans with links to recipes. So don't get so caught up in it though, because sometimes just the simpler you keep it, the better. And I love, 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 love um, meal planning. I don't know why. Maybe because it's kind of like lesson planning because I'm a teacher. But if you're feeling stuck or want me to show you some recipes, feel free to reach out. Back to, I wanted to get back to your folder. So I also have some 21 Day Fix recipes in here. There's tons of Shakeology recipes right here. And then right here, there's also like lots of really simple 21 Day Fix recipes. So you can keep those in mind. These are all just extra materials, extra tools for you. So between now and next Saturday, probably, I would say you need to work on building your meal plan, figuring out what containers you're going to be eating and when. So now I'm going to talk about the accountability. So what we kind of expect is to spend 2 to 5 minutes to check into the Facebook group, the My Challenge Tracker app, or both. We haven't started the My Challenge Tracker app, but I'm going to go ahead and add you to the Facebook group. So pretty much there's like a daily post and you comment on it by answering the questions. Usually it's like, what was your workout and what'd you have for lunch? What'd you have for dinner? What did you mix with your Shakeology? Blah, 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 blah. So you just comment on that every day, spend 2 minutes to check in. Lots of times I will kind of scroll through the group if I'm like not feeling motivated. I'm like, look at all these people showing up. I better I better get on my workout. But so the accountability group is really important too, because it is, the people who show up every day are often the most successful. And kind of going back to that My Challenge Tracker app, that's just like a private app. And so when we create the group for the 23rd, I'll add you to it. And that's a little bit, you can like add your before pictures there. It logs your shake and your workout, and then it's just kind of like a feed. So it's more of just like for yourself, and it keeps track of all your days, which is really helpful. Also, use the Facebook group to share. It's a safe place. So share recipes, ask for recipes, ask questions, ask me questions. I'm here to help. And we're all in this together. So if you're struggling with something, it's probably common and somebody else is probably struggling. So this is your first challenge. I know it's a lot of information, but don't get overwhelmed. We're in this together. It'll take a little while for you to get used to some of these new habits and to create routines. But this is what this is all about. And yeah, this is a challenge group and it usually lasts for like, for the month or whatever, but it doesn't ever end because we continually have groups, and you'll continually be added to them. And then we can pick new programs and as your goals start to change. And last is investing in personal development. So this is a big kind of aspect of this whole group and self-care, and it's really you're spending time investing in yourself. So spend 5 to 10 minutes a day reading or listening to personal development. So also on the Facebook group, we'll be adding a Darren Daily, which is like a quick motivational video. It's usually like 2 to 5 minutes long, and you can comment with your top takeaway. That's a really easy way to like just listen to it in your car on your way to work, or when you have a little bit of free time. Some books that I started off with reading when I first started this journey was Miracle Morning. I love Miracle Morning. You Are a Badass and The Compound Effect. So I definitely suggest looking into those books if you don't already have any in mind. I think that is about all. I'm going to send you all of this stuff now for you to kind of look through. But the people who are most successful do the workout every day, follow nutrition 80% of the time, check into groups, and invest in personal development. So I'm really excited for you to be a part of this, and I look forward to helping you get started. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know.